This house was a complete disaster. Peeling paint, overgrown weeds, outdated from top to bottom. Everyone else saw a lost cause, but I saw opportunity. To right timing, budgeting, and a few strategic changes, I turned this mess into a 300% profit. Today, I'm revealing the blueprint, how I saw value in the chaos and used a few key strategies to pull a massive profit out of a place that no one wanted. Stay with me. These tips will help you see hidden potentials in places you'd never expected. This video is about seeing beyond the surface, breaking down how I turned a rough property into a gold mine. Walking in, I saw walls that needed work, outdated fixtures, and everything screaming for change. But I also knew this could be the most profitable flip of my career. When I brought friends to see the place, they thought I'd lost my mind. But I knew with the right approach, this would be the house that could change everything. If you've ever wondered how to turn something old into something of value, these strategies could be a game changer. Before I bought this property, I made sure that the market was right. I researched neighborhood trends, checked for nearby development, and studied comparable homes. Timing matters in real estate. It's like buying stock just before it rises. If you are into flipping, this is a must. But timing applies to all investments. You can maximize value if you buy at the right moment. Once I set my budget, I included a 10% buffer to account for the surprises I knew would come. Pro tip: plan for this hidden cost to avoid going overboard. Knowing exactly what I could afford to spend kept everything on track and stress-free. With my budget and timing set, I moved to the fun part, transforming this place into something buyers couldn't resist. This is where really things start to change. I focus on strategic renovations that buyers value most. Let me show you the 3 highest ROI areas that can work for any property. 1. Kitchen and bathroom upgrade. I didn't go overboard. Simple, modern finishes like white subway tile and mid-range granite made this space look high-end. The cost? Minimal, but the effect huge. Don't underestimate the power of clean, simple upgrades. It's not about luxury, it's about visual appeal and functionality. 2. Creating an open concept space. I took down just one non-essential wall. This alone made the whole house feel bigger and more modern. A look that today's buyers love. Even in your own space, decluttering and opening up rooms create a fresh feeling without much expense. 3. Energy efficient updates. Buyers love anything that saves them money in the long run. So I swapped out the lights for LEDs and added energy efficient appliances. These are quick wins that pays back, especially with energy costs rising. One surprise: behind a wall, we found an old wallpaper that was, to put it kindly, hideous. It was a good reminder of how outdated places can be and how each small update makes a world of difference. The house looked incredible, but now came the part that would take this flip to the next level: marketing it. Flipping isn't a solo mission. I made sure to connect with local experts, reliable contractors, real estate agents, and even suppliers to get the best insights, deals, and last-minute help when surprises came up. This teamwork saved me time, money, and tons of headaches. The key takeaway here: whether it's flipping, renovating, or a big project, surround yourself with trusted local pros who know the market inside out. They will often catch things you might miss, and a quick call can solve problems fast. Even outside real estate, having reliable contacts like a great mechanic, electrician, or finance advisor gives you an edge and keeps your project running smoothly. With the right people on your team, you are prepared for anything, and that made all the difference with this flip. Even the best property won't sell without effective marketing. Here is how I made this place look like the best deal on the market. I hired a photographer to capture the best angles and stage the rooms to help buyers visualize themselves here. The goal is to create a welcoming vibe in every shot. Presentation is key for selling anything. A clean, well-lit photo can make any item look more appealing. Posting sneak peeks of the renovation on social media helped create excitement. A few posts, a bit of sharing, and suddenly I had people reaching out for info. Social media can take your marketing up a notch. Thanks to these steps, I was ready to attract high-paying buyers, and when the offers started coming in, it was worth every effort. This flip wasn't just profitable, it taught me a lot about maximizing value and staying strategic. Here are a couple of lessons that can apply to any project. 1. Prepare for surprises and stay flexible. In flipping, you always find unexpected costs. Plan ahead and keep a list of trusted contractors. Having reliable contacts saved me time and kept the project moving. 2. Focus on what adds value. Easy to get caught up in cosmetic upgrades, but it's about picking what truly matters. In this case, functionality and cost-saving features added real value to the buyers. Even if you are not flipping, these principles apply to anything of value. Think about what makes the biggest difference and focus on that. And if you think flipping is out of reach, in the next video, I will show you how to buy a house with no money down, no bank account required. And if you are inspired to start your own flip or even add value to your own home, I've got something for you. Whether you are thinking about flipping, investing, or just looking to add value to what you own, I've put together a guide with my top strategies for success. If you are interested, type "I'm interested" in the comment section below for a free 15-minute consultation, or join my next workshop to dive even deeper. Remember, potential is everywhere. You just have to know where to look. I'm dedicated to your success. Be a legacy builder and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.